Hi students, in Yukti Pramana series 2 part 2 we are going to discuss about Yukti as a Pramana. As you know that only Charaka has considered Yukti as a Pramana, and he mentioned it as the fourth Pramana. The previous Pramanas are Pratyaksha, Anumana, Aptopdesha, then Yukti. And when we see in Charaka Samhita, in Sutrasthana, especially in the Tisreshni Adhyaya, he explains Yukti with the help of Pratyaksha Pramana. We have studied about all the examples given by Charaka in Tisreshni Adhyaya. Now, in Vimanasthana, Charaka has explained Yukti under the Anumana Pramana. And you have studied this sloka, Anumanam Kalu Tarko Yukti Apekshata. After understanding the above statements, we will come to a confusion that what is actually Yukti Pramana. Now, there is no need of contradiction in the aspect of Yukti Pramana, because Yukti Pramana should be considered as an independent Pramana, because it is having the element of some principles of Pratyaksha Pramana and some principles of Anumana Pramana. When it is combined together, we cannot say that it is completely Pratyaksha Pramana or it is completely Anumana Pramana. So this is a independent Pramana, a different type of Pramana. So Yukti Pramana is considered as a independent Pramana, even though it follows some of the principles of Pratyaksha as well as Anumana Pramana. Acharya Charaka have given much importance to Yukti Pramana because of its importance in Rogi Roga Pariksha as well as Aushadha Kalpana. How Yukti Pramana is important in Rogi Roga Pariksha? If a disease is having 1, 2, 3 symptoms, 1, 2 and 3 symptoms. If a physician sees these 3 symptoms, it is his duty. He should apply reasoning and find out that this is this disease. These symptoms are the reason of this disease, and vice versa. If we see a disease and he have to apply his reasoning to see whether all the disease symptoms are there for him to confirm that it is this disease. When it comes to Aushadha Kalpana, every physician have to apply his Yukti in order to do permutation and combination in medicines to treat many disease conditions. So he have to mix 2-3 herbs together. He has to mix 2-3 formulations together to cure some diseases conditions like Sannipada Chora or Arsha, etc. So Yukti plays a very important role in Rogi Roga Pariksha as well as treatment of disease. the yukti or reasoning have greater role in understanding critical concepts like karma, punarjanma, moksha, karma phala, etc. All these concepts are only understandable if we apply a considerable amount of reasoning in these concepts. By analyzing different causes, we should come to a understanding about all these concepts. Other darshanas and Acharya Chakrabani didn't consider yukti as a independent pramana. According to Chakrabani, who is a commentator of Charaka Samhita, yukti pramana is considered as a anumana sahagari or and apramana. According to him, yukti is not a pramana, while yukti is a anumana sahagari, that which helps in the process of getting anumana jnana. So it should not be considered as a independent pramana. By this, we come to an end to Yukti Pramana Series 2 Part 2.